Hello friends, I am Niveta. This is Aws-series part 2. In this video we are going to say about connection of Nodemcu ESP8266 to AWS, that is Amazon Web Service. First step, we want to create a thing in AWS. This video link is given in the description. The next step is we downloaded the three types of certificates, right? One private key and an Amazon root CA and a certificate. These are in a .pem format. So now we want to convert it to .do format. So first of all, for this purpose we want to download a OpenSSL. So go to this website, the link is given in the description, so please refer it. So go to this website. There are two types of is available, one for 64-bit and another for 32-bit, right? Please download it corresponding to your PC or laptop, okay? So after installing, open the command prompt in your laptop and type OpenSSL. Then that it's directly go to its folder, right? So OpenSSL. So this installation is verified. We need to display like this. All the downloaded files I saved in my desktop folder. So please type cd desktop. Then these are the commands for converting these files from .pem format to .do format. So replace this XSX by your file name, that is your private key and the certificate and the Amazon receipt, okay? So okay, I'm just now replacing it. Then copy these three commands. First of all, I'm copying this command and I go to command prompt and I paste it and press enter. Okay, now you can see this file is converted like a certificate file, right? So this is a .do form. Okay, next copy these .do format files and create a new folder and paste in it, and the folder name is data. The next step is to download the ESP8266FS. ESP8266FS is a tool which integrates into the Arduino IDE. So it adds the menu item to tools menu for uploading the contents of the sketch data directly to the ESP8266 flash file system. Okay. Now we want to download this ESP8266FS. When we are trying to upload the certificates into ESP8266, there is Nodemcu. It occupies a lot of space. Use the Arduino ESP8266FS plugin to upload the three files to the SPIFFS file system of your board. Doing so will save memory for your program and it makes it easier to share your source code since your certificates won't be in it. Then copy the downloaded ESP8266FS folder and go to Arduino IDE file preference to know the current location of your sketch. So my location is in a document folder. There is a tools folder in it, so paste here. Close the Arduino IDE and reopen it. So go to tools. Now you can find the ESP8266 sketch upload. Next, install the NTP Client library and the PubSub client library. So these libraries downloading link are given in the description. So I'm just now downloading this both libraries. Now including the both libraries in the Arduino sketch file. So go to sketch, include library .zip library, then selected the downloaded library file. Now I'm just included the NTP library. So next, included the PubSub client file. Here we are including fs.h, that is to include in the ESP8266FS2. So next, ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h library. So this library provides the ESP8266 specific Wi-Fi routines, okay, that we are calling to connect to the network. Next, what is my PubSub client.h library? So already we downloaded that library. So it allows you to send and receive the MQTT messages. Okay. Next, NTP Client.h library. It means Network Time Protocol. So it is used for distributing time information over the internet. Okay. These lines of code is used to include the current date and time through NTP Client library. The object is created, that is a time client for the NTP Client library. Replace here with your Wi-Fi name and your password. This codes of line is used to establish your Wi-Fi connection through your SID and password. If certificate loading attempts failed, this line is displayed, that is failed to open cert file. If it is successful, make success to open cert file is displayed in serial monitor. Replacing here with the certificate name which you have downloaded. Here private key is open through ESP8266FS. Suppose if private key is not able to open, it will print as a failed to open for private cert file. So next, load the private key. Next, load the Amazon root CA. Similar as loading the certificate, here we load the private key. So by the command spiffs.open private key. So make sure that your private.dr is the same as your downloaded private key file. This is similar for loading the Amazon root CA. The LED is turned on and turned off with the difference of 1 second. So go to the desktop and choose the data folder and copy it and paste it the folder where your sketch folder is saved. Okay, now I paste in into a before upload the code, we want to upload all the certificates, private key and Amazon root CA through ESP8266FS sketch.upload. Okay, then go to tools, ESP8266 sketch.upload and select it. Now it is uploading. Okay, the upload is successful. Then click the upload button.